Welcome to my little garden. Here, we explore wonderful propagation methods, right from our own kitchens. If you love simple and familiar gardening tips, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below so we won't miss any gentle moments together. Step 1. Choose and prepare the rose branch. Select a healthy rose branch. Cut it diagonally about 15 centimeters long. Pluck off all the leaves so the plant can focus its energy on growing new roots and shoots. Step 2. Gently score the stem. Every rose petal holds a story of morning sunshine, afternoon rain, and all the ups and downs of beauty. With a small knife, lightly score the base of the stem about 1 centimeter up. This helps expose the inner living tissue where roots will emerge. It also limits rot and increases the chance of growth. Step 3. Prepare the garlic solution. Take a few cloves of garlic, peel, chop finely, and put them into a glass cup. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It kills bacteria and fungi while stimulating root growth. Add 50 milliliters of filtered water. Let the garlic essence dissolve gently. Soak the rose branch in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. The garlic works as a silent protector. Step 4. Use the aloe vera. Take a fresh aloe vera branch. Cut a thick slice. Make a small hole in the middle. Insert the rose branch into this hole. The aloe vera essence will penetrate every cell. It soothes the cut and helps the cutting not only survive but grow gently. Step 5. Prepare the planting medium. Now let's prepare the sand. We need clean, light, airy sand. Put it in a clear plastic cup. Sand drains quickly, keeping just enough moisture for young roots. Next, cut a ripe tomato into small pieces and place them in another cup. Tomatoes are full of enzymes and vitamins. They act as natural nutrients, helping the rose branch root faster. Step 6. Combine the ingredients. Pour the garlic solution into the cup with tomatoes. Reinsert the rose branch. Let it soak for another 10 minutes. Then, cut the aloe vera into small pieces and add them in. Garlic, tomato, and aloe vera, 3 natural friends, come together to create a gentle magic water for new life. Step 7. Root the branch in sand. After soaking, filter out the clear water. Discard the pulp. Pour the water into the sand cup, moistening the substrate evenly. Insert the rose branch into the sand. Bury half of it below and leave the other half above, ready to catch the sun and the wind. Cover the cup with another plastic cup, then seal it with a plastic bag and tape. Step 8. Watch for signs of life. The plastic bag creates a mini greenhouse. It keeps moisture and warmth, the perfect environment for life to begin. After 5 days, you'll see small dewdrops on the plastic bag. This is a sign of life. The plant is still breathing, quietly changing inside. Open the bag, and you may see a young shoot rising from the branch, greeting the world for the first time. Step 9. Transplant the rose. Pour out the sand carefully. You will see strong white roots, the reward for patience and care. This method works for most rose varieties, old roses, climbing roses, or bush roses. Plant the rooted branches into coconut fiber. It is moist, airy, and clean. It holds water well and is rich in nutrients, the perfect environment for young roots to continue growing. From here, your small rose branch will grow, bud, and bloom. Thank you for joining me on this journey of nurturing happiness. Don't forget to follow the channel so you won't miss the next gentle tips. Because in every following video, there will always be a new story, soft and beautiful, just like the rose petals we grew today.